Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a second month 2012 2H Volkswagen Amarok. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 up to current. Stock number for this vehicle is 4010. This is a diesel twin turbo 2 litre. Engine code is a CSHA. Backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission, code of NPY. Twin turbo, diesel, 2 litre, CSHA engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the right hand side of the vehicle. The bull bar and bonnet has been damaged, along with the left hand guard. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch wheels, mags. This is the left-hand front with good tyre. Door mirror was damaged in the accident. Left-hand front door appears to be in good condition. Left-hand rear door appears to be in good condition also. Left-hand rear 18-inch mag with good tyre. This vehicle has a chrome rear step bar type with sensors in good condition. Here we have a tow bar. Tailgate has a couple of dents in it, but is still in good condition and it's definitely usable. Here we have the right hand 18-inch mag with good tyre. Right hand rear and right hand front doors are damaged. Also the side skirt. Right hand mirror is also damaged. Right hand front factory 18-inch mag with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth interior. Center console lid, center console automatic gear stick. Has a factory sat nav CD unit. Interior mirror, courtesy light, sunglass holder is missing. This vehicle is fitted with a factory 3-spoke steering wheel with your cruise and audio controls. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.